How to log in to Bright HR account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Bright HR account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and simply click on the search bar. And here simply type Bright HR. And here, once you search for it, simply click on the first link on the result page. And once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the Bright HR page. Now here, once you are on the home screen of the Bright HR page, just click on the login option which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the login page. Now here, to log into your Bright HR account, just click on the email address bar and simply enter your email here. And here, once you're done entering your email, you can simply click on the password and simply enter your password here. And here, once you're done doing everything, you can just click on login. But if you have forgotten your password, you can also click on forget your password. And after that, you can follow the on-screen instruction to reset your password. And that's it. That's how you can log in to your Bright HR account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.